Srivastava welcome you all on our My Banker live session. So, in the dynamic financial landscape of UAE, it is very important and mandatory to understand the usage of credit card and interest rates which are applicable on credit card in the UAE. So yes, our today's topic of discussion is what are the interest rate which is applicable on credit cards in UAE. So let's discuss in detail. Like what are the interest rate? Is there any interest rate on credit card or not? And if there, then how it is applicable for credit cards in UAE. So the very first thing is to understand when is the interest rate is charged on the credit card. So I came across of many clients while discussion with them. So they always ask me, just suggest me some credit card which is without any interest rate. So I would like to clear one thing. When you are having any credit card, there is interest rate behind each and every credit card in UAE, but it different. Like if you got your credit card today and you are making one payment on 28th of February 2004, then there is some time period which is free for from interest rate. So there is no interest for a particular time period, and it all depends upon bank to bank and your financial companies which is providing you credit card. And if you go beyond the date, beyond your free limit, free interest rate period, then interest rate will be charged on your credit card. So yes, so there is some conditions where some situations where you are charged with interest on any credit card. Let's discuss what the situations are. So if you don't make any payment in the month, the bank will start charging interest on the full amount you own from the bank. The other one is if you pay the minimum amount due, then again bank will charge interest on the credit card. Other thing is when you are going to take out cash from your credit card, which is called as cash advance in financial language, then in that case, bank will charge you some minimal amount of rate interest rate which is applicable, and in this case there is no interest free period for this type of transactions. Now the other thing is if you carry your any unpaid balance from your one billing cycle to another billing cycle, then again yes, bank will charge some interest rate. Now what are the interest rate, like how many percentage, is any specified or not, or is it vary from bank to bank? So yes, it varies from bank to bank. So whatever rate of interest you are having on your credit card, it all depends on bank to bank or your financial company which is providing you credit card. So let's understand how is credit card interest rate computed in the UAE. So credit card, uh, like interest calculated on the credit card is something different. It's little bit different as compared with other type of finance credit such as loans. So yes, there is little difference, and which you can understand from your bank only while you applying for a credit card. So as per my suggestion, if you are applying for any credit card, just check thoroughly what rate of interest are there, is there any hidden charges behind the credit card or not, and if there is rate of interest, then what percentage you are going to be charged on a particular credit card. Now let's understand um, interest rates on the top of the credit cards in the UAE. So it all depends, as I said, it all depends on bank to bank. There is some bank which is charging minimum rate of interest. There are some bank also which is charging some high rate of interest, but it always varies between 2.5 to 3.5 percentage, not more than that. But yes, it varies from bank to bank. So again, I'm saying, like, before applying, just make sure what interest rate you're going to be charged on your particular credit card. Now let's understand one more thing, how your credit score will impact your credit card interest rate. Is there any link up between your credit score or credit interest rate or not? So yes, if you having higher credit score, you will be easier to get a less or lower interest rate on your credit card. And conversely, having a bad credit score, it will risk you for the credit card company that it will like give you a high rate of interest. So it all depends upon your credit score also. This is just like, just make your credit score good, do your payments on time, never get into the defaulter payment category, then you will get a great credit score, good credit score, and you will get a lower rate of interest on your credit card. And now let's discuss on some tips and trick to reduce your rate of interest on credit card. The very basic thing is your balance transfer. So if you are having already a credit card with a 6 month bureau, and like in case you want to get a new credit card, definitely you can get a new credit card if you are having good bureau, then you can do the balance transfer. But one more thing I would like to suggest on this part, just check with your credit card company to allow you some minimal rate on the balance transfer, or there are some credit cards also which is giving you zero rate of interest for balance transfer. But yes, it is applicable for some duration, maybe 12 months or 8 months. But yes, this is the one of the best way to reduce your rate of interest on your credit card, which is balance transfer. The another is, you can talk with your credit card company or bank. If you are having in the good payment history category and you making your credit bureau good, then yes, they can definitely do something for you on your interest. Okay, so yeah, I hope this interest rate thing is a little bit clear with all of you. Now, for more detail, you can contact me anytime. We can connect and I will explain you, and I will also help you to get a credit card with low rate of interest. Now, I got some questions, which is, do credit card interest rate charges often? Or it change sometimes? So yes, it all depends upon bank to bank, and it depends upon the financial company which is providing you credit card, but it will give you notice prior, before the changing. But yes, they can change, they can reduce, they can increase. Now the other question is, why is credit card rate of interest is higher than other uh, financial services like loans? Because credit card provide an immediate loan as you apply, then definitely it is little bit higher. But again, it is only charged when you fail to pay on time, or you are going beyond the free period of time which is allotted by the bank or the financial company. So yes, this is all about credit card interest rate. And thank you so much for connecting. Thank you so much for the questions which you raised today, because this makes somewhere the like two-way communication. I'll stay tuned with you guys in the next video to have discussion on the other topic. Thank you so much.